Hi, I need help.
Hello, miss. How may I help you?
My baggage didn't come out. I've been waiting for it for so long.
May I have your passport and flight number, please?
Okay, here you are. My flight number is JH23742.
Your baggage reclaim number is number 4. Have you been waiting there?
Oh, 4? I saw 3 on the board.
There was a change after. Maybe you didn't notice?
All right, let me go and check there first.
Okay, if you can't find it, get back to me and I will help you.
Thank you very much. Keep your seatbelt on. Excuse me, sir. Please keep your seatbelt on. Oh, sorry, I thought we finished taking off. We did, but we haven't reached a certain height for the plane to be stable, so we still need passengers to fasten their seatbelts. Okay, I got it. I'm sorry. It's okay, sir. Just for your safety. I know. So when can I unfasten my seatbelt? Please pay attention. Our captain will announce it. Okay, thanks. You are welcome, sir. How long will you be staying in Canada? Julia, will you travel this summer holiday?
Yes, I will visit my grandparents.
Where are they?
They are living in Canada.
How long will you be staying in Canada?
I'm not sure, but I remember my mom said about 2 weeks.
You're so lucky. I will have to stay at home during summer.
Oh, it's okay. I will call you.
Remember to tell me any interesting thing that happens there, okay?
Sure, I will.
You have been to Canada before, right?
Yes, I visited my grandparents many times before.
You must know the place so well.
Oh, not at all. Usually we visit them only for a few days, so I didn't have time to explore the place.
Then you can this time.
Yeah.
Where are you? Josh, where are you? I'm at the gym. Just finished exercising. What's wrong? Your mom has been looking for you. Did she call you? Yes, she said she couldn't call you. I must be taking a shower? Did she tell you anything else? No, but her sound seems a bit worried. You should call her back to check. Okay, thanks, Jimmy. Talk to you later. Okay, bye. What's the address? Mary, will you join our class trip this weekend?
Yes, of course. But
what's wrong?
It's so early in the morning. There's no bus at that time. I'm thinking about how to go to the university.
Linda will stay with me the night before and we will book a taxi. Do you want to stay with us?
Oh, is it okay?
Sure, no problem. Just a night.
That's great. What's the address of your house?
It's 3 Gorse Walk.
Nice. I will come around 8:30 p.m. Is it okay?
Yes. Make sure you don't forget anything at home.
Thanks, Veronica.
Not at all. Could I have your name? Hello, welcome to Jardine Restaurant. May I help you, sir? I have a table reservation for 2 people tonight at 7 p.m. Could I have your name, please? I'm Michael Boston. I booked earlier today. Your table is ready, sir. Please wait a minute. I'll bring you a menu. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm going to apply for a loan. Bob, what are you thinking? Hi, Daniel. I'm thinking about the project I'm planning. What's wrong with it? Everything is fine, but I'm low in the capital. Really? Is the expense more than you expected? Yeah, more cost adds up. Have you had a solution? I'm going to apply for a loan. Is it too early? No, I don't think so. Is it complicated to apply for a loan? I will call the bank to ask for more details. Okay, I hope you will solve your problem soon. Thanks, Daniel.
Friend conflict. What's wrong with Selena and you? Why didn't you guys sit next to each other at lunch today? I'm done with her. We have nothing to talk to each other about. Can I ask why? It's a long story. Do you still want to hear it? Yes, I do. Please, go ahead. I had a crush on a boy in grade 11. I told Selena about it. When she heard the boy's name, she was suddenly angry and told me to stay away from him. I think she wants to steal him from me. So I yelled at her and I told her that she knew nothing about me. She should have cheered me up. Why didn't you listen to her reasons? Well, I was angry, so I think you guys should explain everything to each other. Perhaps you just wanted to prevent something bad from happening. Maybe you're right. I'll ask her tomorrow. Going outside. Hey, Kate. Do you have time after school? Yes. What's the matter, Lucy? Today's Black Friday. Want to go to the shopping center with me? Okay, I think I can go. Cool. We're gonna get a lot of deals today. Let's meet in front of this shopping mall at 5 p.m. Got it. Hey, I'm here. Where should we go first? I saw a mall which has up to 80% discounts. Do you want to visit it? Absolutely. Let's go. Wow, this shop is so crowded. Yeah, it's Black Friday anyway. People will go to the shopping centers and buy many things at low prices. Hey, let's see the dress over there. I love it. It really suits you. Let's check the price. Hey, I think I can afford it. 50% discount. Awesome. New game show. I'm so bored. I have nothing to watch on TV at night. I can suggest some game shows. That's cool. Tell me some. You should watch Who is a Millionaire? I've heard about it. Yeah, the main goal of this game show is to win up to 7,200 US dollars. Wow, it's a big amount of money. I know. You can train your brain by answering the show's questions. And I also know a new game show. What is it? I forgot the name, but it's a music game show. The players will listen to many lip sync singers and guess who is the real one. Sounds interesting. Thanks for your recommendation. I'll text you the name of the show later. What is there to eat? Is there anything to eat? I don't know. You should check our kitchen. Hey, our fridge is empty. What? Really? I don't want to go out and buy something in such hot weather. Neither do I. Wait, I remember I bought some instant noodles last week. I hope they're still there. Thank God they're here. We still have some eggs and salad in the fridge. We can eat them with the noodles. Why did you say the fridge is empty? Well, I mean, it's almost empty. Never mind. Let's cook the noodles. And we have to go to the supermarket to buy more food tomorrow. Okay.